All products under 99 rupees. And best rating plus best selling products. And all product की link description में है. Number 1, ये mini finger ring, जो सिर्फ 50 rupees की है. 4.1 की rating, ये देखो customer review. Number 2, ये dust brush. जो सिर्फ 77 रुपीस का है. 1K past month sell हुआ. Number 3, ये pen only 47 rupees की palm pen and waterproof. Number 4, earbuds pouch, जो सिर्फ 40 रुपीस का. Number 5, इसमें 7 आइटम हैं और सिर्फ 49 रुपीस की, perfect for gift. And number 6, LED light, multiple colors, only 50 rupees. Number 7, blue ball pen pack of 5, only 47 rupees की. Next ये mobile stand, only 30 rupees me guys. Next ये USB large me 82% off and only 45 rupees की. 4.1 की rating है. And next ये fruit cutter जिसको 2K लोगों ने past month ले चुके हैं, only 78 rupees का. Next ये stand, only 59 rupees का, good rating, best sell. Next ये face roller जिसको 16K लोगों ने लिया है, price only 55 rupees. Next ये clips, only 79 rupees की, भाई good rating, good selling. Next ये cable protector 12 piece, only 59 rupees की, 3 set, good rating and sell. Next ये Jetter Prestige blue pen, only 69 rupees. Next ये my Tone 10 pen, only 94 rupees. Multiple colors for boys and girls, good rating and sell. Next year, my skipping rope for men and women, 79% off and only 62 rupees. Next year, LED bulb, only 65 rupees. 5K people who are buy bar already. Next year, portable tablet and phone stand, only 75 rupees. Hey, good reviews. Next year, hand grip, only 99 rupees. 80% offer. Go and buy all products. Link in description.